everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In this video, we are going to discuss about machine learning and the types of machine learning. Let us dive deep into the video. If you remember, in our previous video, we have discussed about what exactly the data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So now we will get into machine learning and its types. So what exactly the machine learning? A machine learning in its simple terms, we can say that whatever we are doing in artificial intelligence, for suppose you are building an agent, a virtual agent in artificial intelligence, but how you are building that? It is all about understanding to the assistant about your data, feeding the data. So how you can feed? This is all about learning. So in machine learning, we will feed the machine of the data, and whenever you give a new question, it should able to give the answer. So that is what a machine learning means. So primarily, we are providing a machine to learn from our data and then ask a new question to it, and it can able to answer. So that is what a machine learning is. For example, as a human being, we do not know anything whenever we are young. But as soon gradually, when we started studying the alphabets and started studying the words, we gradually improved. So now if someone asks a new spelling, you can able to tell that spelling. So that is what learning means. So machine is similar to us. So we are providing some data and the machine will understand and gradually whenever we ask a new question, a machine is able to answer. So that is what a machine learning is. And in machine learning, we have multiple types. So one is supervised learning and the other is unsupervised and the other is reinforcement learning. And there is one more type which is called semi-supervised, but that is not that much prominent. So we are not going to discuss about that more in this video. So let us go simple and understand what exactly these terms mean. So first thing is supervised learning. So supervised learning means we are providing the machine a data which is consisting of both input as well as output. And whenever we give a new question, the machine will give the output. So that is what a supervised learning means. So always remember, supervised consists of both input as well as the output variable. So there are two types in the supervised learning. One is classification and the other is regression. We will discuss more in the next video. Next, unsupervised learning. This is a quite opposite to the supervised learning. That means here we will give only the input data and there is no output. That means unlabeled data. And whenever we ask a new question, the machine can able to answer it. So that is what an unsupervised learning means. Next thing is reinforcement learning. And also in unsupervised learning, there are two types. One is called as clustering and the other is dimensionality reduction. So that we will discuss in our next video. Next, the third type is the reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is nothing but it is learning through experiences in a simple form. I will give a simple example. So let us consider a small child. So a small child doesn't know anything and she used to play with her toys. For example, whenever she is playing, if she suddenly caught up a fire and and then she realizes, oh, that is a fire and that's very harm, and she experiences that hot, and next time she won't go there. So even if we tell like the children will do the things which we say not to do. So that's what. So that means learning through experiences. That means whenever we experience something, we realize the value of that. So that is what reinforcement learning means. And in reinforcement learning, there are two terms which are awards as well as rewards as well as punishments. So rewards is nothing but whenever there is a positive action made, we will give a sense of appreciation or an point or a success point to it. So that is called a reward. And whenever there is a mistake, then we will give a punishment to it. So that is what a punishment is or a penalty it is. So this is what about reinforcement learning. And however, in this reinforcement learning, there are two types, that is sequential learning as well as policy optimization, and that we will discuss in our next video. So To keep it simple, just understand machine learning. And in machine learning, there are three types: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Supervised. Supervised means we are providing a machine a set of data which consists of both input as well as output. Output means labeled data. Unsupervised means not labeled data, that means unlabeled data. Reinforcement means you're providing the data and you are asking to learn from the experiences, and whenever it is giving positive thing, you are giving reward, and whenever it is giving negative thing, you are giving punishment. This is what the reinforcement learning means. So I hope you understand these concepts in this video, and if you have any doubts, just comment in the comment section and we will discuss in our further videos. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel AI Stories by Anjali. Thank you.